let's start off with, what is this? Integrity Fashion Royalty. Ooh, how fancy is that? Pretty fancy. And there's a little box in here. It's got some stuff in it. Look at that dress though. Oh, that's a cool dress. Let's see what's in the box of stuff. We got some hands. A bunch of jewelry. Whoa. Look at these shoes. I don't even know what this is. Some black thing with some chain thing. Something. Some stockings. And at the bottom of the box, there's like a champagne glass. So, you're pretty cool. Let's we at least take these things out of the bags and get the doll out of the box. Alright, we got some little gloves. I think this is like a purse type thing. Some hands, we'll keep the hands in the package. Some cool jewelry. She should be wearing those next time you see her. And whoa, some shoes. Okay, well, I dropped them both. They're cute little shoes. Alright, let's get her dressed up.